Welcome students back. So now we are going to see bar graph and scatter plot as I told you all. So this is where I had left the link, and from here only we will go to start again. So let me start with import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Again we are going to require two where x-axis and y-axis. So I have written here 3 4 5 6 11 12. Let it be as it is. 9 16, this is as it is. Okay, now the only difference is instead of writing plot I am going to write a bar method here. See, very easy to understand. So this is where I've written bar, and let me put it as run method. So can you see here, these are the graphs where you getting bar. Okay, so 12 10 8 6 4. So this is your x and y axis. Okay, so this is displaying your bar graph. Now let's talk something about scatter plot. Now as I told you all, everything just remains same. You change here and you write scatter and then you run. So you will see all the small circles across your graph. That is called as scatter plot. Okay, so this is called as scatter plot. We'll go ahead with pie chart also. I will show you all pie chart here only. So pie chart, here I am going to take in pie chart 4 9. I'm just going to divide into 4 quartiles. 4 16 25 and 36. I have taken this axis, and now I don't want this as y-axis. Okay, I don't want it. So here I am going to write figure is equal to plt dot figure, then you'll write round bracket, you'll write figure size. What figure size you want? Figure size, which is equal to bracket, and I'm going to write 9 comma, how many values I have? 5 values I have. Okay, so this is where I have written, and now I'm going to write plt, because there is only one axis, so no y-axis needed. Just write pie and you write x-axis. That's it, and you show. Let me check, does it give me the required result? Yes, this is how your pie chart is drawn. Pie plot is a bit different from rest above because line 4 is particular interest. So take a look at this feature here. Here if you see, this is figure size. It is used to set the aspect ratio, and you can set this anything you like 9,5, but officially Panda Docs advise that you can use aspect ratio of only 1. Okay, so there I have written as aspect ratio. And if you see this, let me explain you this particular example. Here there are some parameters of the pie chart which you have to understand. Okay, first is labels. This can be used to give label to each slice in the pie chart. Then colors, this can be used to give the predefined colors to each of the slice. So you can specify the color both from yellow, or you can write in hexadecimal value also. Okay, so that also we'll see here if I give you all labels and what it is going to give me the result. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, import matplotlib. This is as it is. I'm going to keep the value as it is. The figure size, now instead of 9 I will put it as 5.5, and here also 5.5. Okay, then now what I'm going to do, as I said, we can change the colors as well. So I'm going to write the labels first. Okay, so let me give the labels to my pie chart. Labels is equal to, then again you put it as, open the round brackets, open the double quote, and guavas, close, berries, comma, then you write mangoes, then you write double quotes, then comma, then apples. You can write your own favorite fruits here, so there is no hard fast that whatever I have writing you can write the same thing, no need. Avocado. Okay, so I have completed this with all my double quotes. Then I'm going to give a comma and I'm going to define the colors to it. Okay, so colors, here I have taken hexa values. You can take directly the name to it. Okay, see, if you see the double quote, the moment I give, the another double quote is coming directly, so you need not worry about the parenthesis here. 86544. Okay, here it has to be not 3, it has to be hash. I just missed it. Then you give comma, again double quotes, then again and hash. You give EB5B13 for your berries, again comma, again this, again hash, and here you write EBC713, again comma, again double quotes, again hash, then you will write BDEB13, then again you take, it's a little bit of tiring, but then it's will be worth once you check it. 8AEB13. Okay, so I have 1 2 3 4 5, so it is 1 2 3 4 and 5, and the rest remains same, that is plt dot show. Let me run and check what mistake I have done. Wow, so here it is. If you see, this is avocado, which is having the more size slice. You can say this is apple, this is mango, this is berries, and this is guava. So guava is having a very small size. Okay, so this is called as with the colors we have used, and the slices with the labels. Okay, there are many other plots like histogram, area, KDE, that we'll be learning in coming for things. Okay, so plot formatting can also be done, such as labels can be given like myplotlib, pyplot as, and you can put it as your title here. Okay, so let me see if it really works. So let me give that, import matplotlib, okay, .py plot dot title bracket my graph. Okay, so there is an error. So instead of this, instead of putting it here, I'll put it down. Control X, and here if I see, let me check now, what does it give it? Matplotlib. Okay, so it is telling me I have written a name, I've written the syntax wrong. Matplotlib, correct, pyplot dot title my graph. I think so, I've written it correct. Oh, 1 second. Okay, instead of writing this, if I write plt, oh wow, so here it is. See, I have written plt and dot title my graph, so the name of my graph is my graph. Okay, and then it keeps on coming. Either you can put it here, or let me check with your before this, if I put here and then execute, yes, this is where it is. So it is giving the my graph name to my particular graph. Same way you can give your X and Y labels as well. So I hope so you have understood this particular session. We will be seeing histogram and other graphs into next session. Thank you so much.